Would you like to read your Canvas documents? You now can. In Canvas, when you navigate to a document or a file such as Word, PowerPoint, PDF, etc., you will see an icon which is a sheet of paper with a speaker on it that is located to the right of the file link. This is the icon for docReader. Let's click on the docReader icon. docReader will open in a new window or tab. Let's navigate to the slide on Tutoring Services. Across the top of docReader, you have a Show or Hide Sidebar tool. Hiding the sidebar is excellent when you are on a smaller screen. You have page-turning tools like Previous, Next, and the drop-down list of pages, listen commands, layout, and text mode choices, expand or collapse toolbar, help, and reading language, which are the voices and languages associated with your institution's account. Before moving to the lower toolbar, let's read part of this slide.
Depending on the institution, there may be face-to-face or virtual tutoring available.
Let's see what tools are on the lower toolbar. Click on Expand Toolbar. In Settings, you can change the reading speed. Change how you select your reading area. Select if you want the page to be turned automatically. And remember the toolbar state. This option lets you decide how you want the toolbar to look when you encounter a new document, such as whether or not the sidebar and the lower toolbar are shown, etc. This is an important setting, so you can immediately see the power tools located in the lower toolbar as you access a document in docReader. You can also select your highlighting settings and text mode settings, and then see a preview of the changes at the bottom of the window. You have customizable focus tools such as a page mask and a reading ruler. You have a highlighter tool that allows you to use up to 4 colors. You can also use borders. Collect and download your highlights and borders. And hide and show your highlights. All excellent tools for note-taking. You can download each page to an MP3 file and transfer them to your MP3 device for learning on the go. You can download or print your document. The power of these excellent tools is now at your fingertips.